Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here at our shop at 88 Rotors. We're gonna bring you another Tundra compilation today. If I didn't tell you that it was a 2025, would you have known? It's easy to figure this out. You know why? Because of the color. Terra was a TERRA Pro exclusive color in 2024. As all TERRA Pro exclusive colors are, the color is usually released the following year to non-pro models. So this Tundra is in for a Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series suspension setup. We're doing this with the Fox billet upper control arms on here as well, and some Old Man Emu rear lift springs. We apologize, but our contact form on the website was down for some time. We finally had it fixed, so it's up and live again. So if you messaged us and we didn't respond, we apologize for that. Shoot us another email or just give us a call and we'll make sure to get you taken care of. And bringing it in for a closer look, here we have the Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series DSC coilovers and shocks all around with dual speed compression adjusters. For the wheels and tires on this one, we went with some RRW RR7H flow formed wheels in a 17 by 8.5 size with the 0 offset. We wrap it up in a 35 12.5 17 Toy Open Country AT3, and here's a closer look at the billet Fox orange upper control arms. Our tech is seen here removing the mud flaps and pinning back the fender liner to make room for the larger wheels and tires. These fitment modifications are completely reversible, so if you ever want to go back to stock because the vehicle is leased or whatever reason it may be, it is completely possible to do so. Our shop 88 Rotors is located in sunny Southern California in the city of Baldwin Park. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. With the new lift, wheels, tires, and custom alignment done, we're going to bring this one out now for a quick test drive. Next up, we have this third generation Tundra in Lunar Rock. This one is going with a King suspension setup. We're doing the King 2.5 remote fin reservoir coilovers and shocks all around with compression adjusters, Camberg upper control arms, Old Man Emu rear lift springs, and we're also doing the rear King end links. And bronze looks so good on Lunar Rock. We're throwing on some RRW RR7H bronze wheels and some 35-inch tires. Did you guys know that we stock RRW wheels, literally thousands of them? We bring them in by the container loads directly from Relation Race Wheels. We have the RRW RR7H and our 88 exclusive RRW RR7V flow-formed wheels in stock in many different specs. If you want to take advantage of our YouTube discount, use promo code YouTube at 88rotors.com and get $100 off a set of 4 RRW wheels. Next third gen Tundra that's in is going with a Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup. We're also doing a horn chop to fit some aggressive wheels on here. They're a 17 by 8.5 size with the -10 offset. We're wrapping it up in a 35 12.5 17 tire for the customer. We also have this Lunar Rock Tundra that's in for another King setup. King 2.5 remote fin reservoir coilovers and shocks all around with compression adjusters, Cambered Kinetic Series, billet, uniball upper control arms, and Old Man Emu rear lift springs. And I almost forgot, we're also installing the rear King end links that you see right here as well. And what's the new and hottest wheel for 2025? Our vote goes for the RRW RR7V flow-formed wheels. These right here come with a matte black face with a simulated beadlock ring in gloss black. This right here is a 17 by 8.5 size with the 0 offset that we wrapped in a 35 12.5 17 tire. We have these wheels in a 0 offset, -12 offset, and a +25 offset, all with the 8.5 width. Here's another Lunar Rock Tundra. This one's also doing a King with adjuster setup, but for the upper control arms, we're doing the Cambered Kinetic Series King Blue upper control arms. For the wheels on this one, we're doing the KMC GRSs with the 35 12.5 17 Needle Recon Grappler all-terrain tire. Interested in a king setup for your vehicle? We have these available in stock and ready to ship. Check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com, where we have prepackaged, pre-assembled, and pre-adjusted lift kits all ready to go. You can install them the same day they arrive at your door. You like what you see here and want to see more? Make sure to follow us on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Alright guys, let's show some love to the 2nd gen Tundras. This one's coming in for an IBOC Stage 2R setup with some Icon tubular delta joint upper control arms. We're doing a body mount chop on this one to clear some 35-inch tires as well. Wheels and tires here are the RRW RR7Hs in a 17 by 8.5 size, 0 offset in 5 by 150. And the tire of choice here are the Toyo Open Country RT Trails in a 35 12.5 17. Next up, we have this white 3rd generation Tundra. Are you on a budget? Don't really off-road and just hit the pavement most of the time? Then the Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup is a good option for you. This right here gives you about 2.5 inches of lift up front and an inch in the back so you can clear some larger wheels and tires. We have these available in stock for most new and popular applications. The owner of this vehicle is not yet ready for some new wheels, so he's just gonna upsize on the factory wheels. We're running a 295/65/20 tire on this one. We're gonna squeeze in one more. Here's a brand new 2025 Mud Bath Tundra TERRA Pro that's coming in for a Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup. This one's gonna retain its factory Fox suspension. So the preload collar is going on there with some 35 12.5 18 Toyo Open Country AT3s. And that's all, folks. Thank you very much for tuning in today. We greatly appreciate it as always. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell so you'll get alerted the next time we post another video. Until then, take care, guys.